Hi merchants! You can now send emails to your customers using Shopify Marketing Automation. Click on Marketing, Automations, Create Automation. Now click Create Custom Automation. In the first step, we select the customer created by Meets. Then add action Send marketing email. That's all. Simple, right? If you have a pop-up with a discount code, you can add it to the email. I'll show you a simple example. Click on Select Template. Go Next. Select Blank Template. Select. Add a section text. Paste your text. If your pop-up has a name field, we can add the name to the email address. Let's add the discount code. Please comment was it easy to stop? And subscribe to our channel to see more videos.